How to cancel your reservation in booking.com. In this video, I will show you how can you easily cancel your reservation on booking.com application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open booking.com application on your mobile device. After that, once you are navigated to the home page of booking.com, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then, below Manage Account, you see the option of Trips. Simply click on it and then you will see the list of trips that you have booked. Simply click on the one which you want to cancel and then in the details of that trip, you will see the option of Manage Booking. Once you click on it, you will also see the option of Cancellation option, and then when you click on it, you will see in the red bar Cancel entire booking for free. After that, provide the reason why you want to cancel the trip and then again click on Cancel my booking to confirm. So that's it. That is how easily you can cancel your reservation in booking.com. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.